I am Sanyukta Shah on behalf of Arham College and Mahavir Junior College, going to give you some information about the reduced syllabus for Standard 11th Commerce for the subject Economics. Now we shall see what all has been reduced. About 30 to 40% of the syllabus has been reduced for the academic year 2020-2021. These concepts are important for you. You shall go through it. These are given for self-study. They shall not be explained for you, but they shall be important. So you shall self-study everything about them. So we shall be seeing what all has been reduced in the subject. So we shall start with economics 11th standard. What all has been removed from the syllabus. So firstly we shall go on page number 4. So on page number 4, in the first column, they have cancelled classification of wants, entire concept right from classification of wants to well furnished house, etc. I have given a cross mark on every page or on every concept whichever has been reduced from the syllabus. So on page number 4, firstly we have classification of wants which has been removed. Then after that on page number 5, on the second part, the you should know part has been entirely cancelled, right from you should know till unearned income, that is gains, lottery prizes, etc. Till there, the entire box has been removed. After that, next we have on page number 11, second chapter money. In that on page number 11, the table, the you should know box, that is legal tender money, non-legal tender money, that has been entirely removed. Then next, qualities of money, entire qualities of money has been removed for you till page number 12, a part, homogeneity and stability. Till there everything has been cancelled, but you should go through it and know what it is, because it is important for you to know what all is written. Then next, in the chapter 3, partition values, in that on page number, on this, on page number 15, you have you should know. On the A part, application of quartiles, deciles and percentiles in economics, this entire portion has been removed, this entire box has been removed. Then further in this, in the same topic, on page number 21, uh, this entire B part, discrete data, and the second part in the same, then continuous data, this entire thing has been removed. On right till the next part, exercise, everything has been cancelled for you. This concepts won't be asked in your examinations. Next, after that, in the fourth topic, we have on page number 29 the concept of tourism, then concept of tourism, hospitality and entertainment industry. These three concepts have been deleted for you for the academic year 2021. Then in the next part, in the fifth chapter, for rural development, the concept of rural development, the web, then what are the definition, then agriculture sector, industrial sector, service sector. These all concepts have been omitted for you. Then On page number 36, this table you should know. This part right from population facts till the sources census india government.in, till here this box has been removed. Then further, you should know underpopulation, overpopulation, optimum population, these concepts. Then on page number 40, you should know effects of population explosion. Whatever the box has been given, that entire box has been removed. Then page 41, these both the boxes have been cancelled. Population education and demographic dividend. Then in chapter 7, unemployment, in that page number 44, a part you should know involuntary unemployment, full unemployment. Till there, the entire box has been removed. Then general, you should know general measures to reduce unemployment. Even this has been removed. Here you should know employment, effects of employment, economic effects and social effects. This entire concept has been deleted. Then chapter 8, poverty, in that the first you should know box has been removed. After that, next you should know page 54, you should know effects of poverty, entire that box. And on the B part you should know the other box. This also both have been removed for you. Then next chapter 9, economic policy of India since 1991. In that this evolution of economic policy 1991, this entire concept has been removed from page 61, the first part and the second part. Then on page 62 till the chapter ends, everything has been cancelled for the coming term. Then from the next chapter, that is the 10th chapter, economic planning, in that this table 5-year plan at a glance and this sum which is given below that, that has been entirely cancelled. Then after this, here we end with the syllabus. So from all the chapters, whatever has been cancelled and whatever was important for you has been given in the video. I have uploaded everything, whatever is reduced and whatever is given for you in the year. So these all concepts are for you to self study. They shall not ask you in the exams. So go through it properly and make the changes in your own books also.